Christmas looks different when you spend it on an island, where palm trees glow with lights, waves replace snowfall, and the world feels peacefully far away. Get ready to explore the top 10 most stunning Christmas island escapes. Destinations where festive magic meets turquoise seas, golden sunsets, and traditions shaped by centuries of coastal life. At number 10, Maldives. The Maldivian rupiah pairs closely with the US dollar, and most resorts accept USD, making holiday spending simple and seamless for international travelers. Expect a wide Christmas season range, $120 for guest houses, up to $900 plus for villas suspended above blue lagoons in peak holiday luxury. Most visitors receive a free 30-day visa on arrival, yet holiday travelers should still keep hotel confirmations and return tickets ready for smooth entry. December offers calm seas, warm breezes, and bright tropical sunshine. Perfect weather for celebrating Christmas on crystal clear water. Seaplanes and speedboats whisk guests between islands, turning transfers into scenic journeys where turquoise atolls stretch endlessly across the ocean. Choose from intimate guest houses to iconic overwater villas with private decks, glass floors, and views that feel almost unreal at sunrise. Maldivians often decorate palm trees instead of pine trees for Christmas, creating a festive tropical glow unique to these islands. Holiday buffets feature grilled seafood, coconut curries, and international favorites, blending Maldivian flavors with seasonal Christmas celebrations. Snorkel glowing reefs, sail at sunset, or enjoy Christmas Eve dinners under stars where the ocean becomes your festive backdrop. Though a Muslim nation, resorts celebrate Christmas with warmth, live music, gentle lantern lights, and traditions tailored for global visitors. At number 9, Seychelles. The Seychelles rupee works smoothly alongside USD and euros, especially during Christmas when tourism peaks and exchange counters stay active. From $150 guest houses to $1,200 luxury villas, Christmas week brings premium rates, but also unforgettable oceanfront celebrations. Seychelles offers visa-free entry for all nationalities, requiring only proof of stay and onward travel, a refreshing welcome for holiday explorers. Late December is warm and calm, with clear diving conditions and breezy evenings perfect for festive beachfront gatherings. Ferries, local buses, and short island hopper flights connect Mahe, Praslin, and La Digue, making Christmas island hopping easy and scenic. Palm-framed eco-lodges and cliff-top villas glow with lanterns during Christmas week, blending nature with quiet seasonal celebration. Seychelles' Aldabra Atoll is home to 150,000 giant tortoises, the largest population on Earth. Creole Christmas menus mix grilled fish, coconut rice, cassava desserts, and festive spices, creating a tropical holiday feast. Explore Anse Source d'Argent, kayak granite coastlines, or enjoy candlelit holiday dinners along quiet, untouched beaches. Seychellois Christmas blends Catholic traditions with island warmth, midnight mass followed by music, beach gatherings, and late-night joy. At number 8, Bora Bora. The French Pacific franc aligns closely with the euro, and resorts readily accept credit cards for festive season spending. Christmas in Bora Bora is premium. Expect $200 for basic stays and $1,500 plus for iconic overwater luxury. Visitors from the US, UK, Canada, and most EU countries enjoy visa-free stays up to 90 days. December brings warm, tropical showers mixed with sunshine, ideal for lagoon adventures and laid-back Christmas celebrations. Domestic flights connect islands, while boats glide guests across emerald lagoons toward serene, festive escapes. Overwater bungalows decorate the lagoon like floating lanterns, offering private decks perfect for Christmas morning serenity. Bora Bora's lagoon has nearly 50 shades of blue. Scientists attribute this to unique coral densities. Christmas buffets feature poisson cru, fresh seafood, French pastries, and Polynesian dishes rich in coconut and lime. Enjoy shark feeding tours, lagoon cruises, island hikes, or Christmas sunset sailing across Bora Bora's glowing waters. Polynesian Christmas includes rhythmic dances, flower garlands, and joyful island choirs filling warm night air. At number 7, Madeira. Euro is the official currency, with fair exchange rates during Madeira's festive high season. Expect $100 to $250 daily, depending on whether you enjoy mountain hikes or gourmet seaside Christmas dinners. Schengen rules apply, granting many visitors visa-free entry for short holidays. December offers mild weather, blooming poinsettias, and one of the world's greatest New Year fireworks. Buses and scenic drives make exploring easy. Coastal roads reveal cliffs glowing with Christmas lights. Hilltop hotels, botanical garden retreats, and historic quintas offer warm, festive charm for holiday stays. Madeira holds the Guinness World Record for the largest fireworks display ever recorded. Enjoy bolo do mel, chestnut soups, espetada beef skewers, and rich Christmas wines. Hike lavada trails, watch holiday parades, or sail along illuminated coastlines. Madeiran Christmas mixes Catholic tradition with lively street markets and music-filled evenings. At number 6, Maui. Prices use the US dollar, simple and familiar for holiday travelers from around the world. Plan for $150 to $350 per day, especially during Christmas when island demand peaks. Standard US entry applies via ESTA or Visa. Holiday travelers should book early for smooth clearance. December brings breezy sunshine, whale watching season, and ocean-perfect temperatures. Renting a car is essential for exploring beaches, jungles, and festive upcountry towns. From boutique surf lodges to luxury beachfront resorts, Maui offers a warm, colorful Christmas escape. Hawaii's Santa arrives by outrigger canoe instead of sleigh. Try festive poke bowls, Kahlua pork feasts, and island-style Christmas brunches with tropical fruit. Road to Hana drives, volcano sunrises, and holiday luau's create unforgettable December memories. Hawaiian Christmas blends island aloha with carols sung in Hawaiian and joyful beach gatherings.
At number 5,
Zanzibar. The Tanzanian shilling pairs well with USD, widely accepted across resorts and markets. Expect $60 to $200 daily, depending on island tours and beachfront stays. Many travelers obtain a visa on arrival. E-visas ease holiday entry. December is warm, calm, and perfect for spice tours and turquoise water escapes. Taxis, minibuses, and boats connect Stone Town with dreamy Christmas coastlines. Boutique oceanfront lodges decorated in Swahili-style create magical, festive charm. Zanzibar was once the world's leading clove producer, influencing many local Christmas recipes. Expect coconut curries, seafood grills, and aromatic, spice-rich holiday dishes. Explore Stone Town's alleys, sail dhows at sunset, or snorkel bright coral islands. Christmas is lively among Christian communities, marked by music, feasts, and joyful beach gatherings. At number 4, Philippines. Philippine pesos pair smoothly with USD, with good conversion for travelers. Plan for $50 to $150 daily, depending on island tours and festive season lodging. Many visitors receive a 30-day visa-free entry, perfect for holiday travelers. December skies are clear, warm, and ideal for island hopping. Boats, vans, and local flights connect El Nido, Coron, and Puerto Princesa. Beach huts, boutique stays, and cliffside resorts glow with lantern-lit Christmas charm. The Philippines celebrates the world's longest Christmas season, starting as early as September. Feast on lechon, grilled seafood, halo-halo, and festive Filipino desserts. Kayak lagoons, explore hidden beaches, or swim in Palawan's luminous waters. Festive parole lanterns light up homes, streets, and island pathways. At number 3, Santorini. Euro-based pricing gives predictable Christmas season budgets. Expect $70 to $250 depending on cliffside hotels and winter tours. Schengen rules grant many visitors visa-free entry. Winter offers quiet caldera views, crisp skies, and peaceful festive charm. Buses run regularly, though renting a car offers scenic independence. Whitewashed cave hotels create warm holiday coziness during Santorini's serene winter season. Santorini's blue domes appear even deeper in winter light, creating postcard-perfect Christmas frames. Try fava puree, tomato fritters, and hearty Greek Christmas pastries. Enjoy cliffside walks, winery tours, and calm sunset viewpoints. Greek Christmas mixes church traditions with joyful family gatherings and island hospitality. At number 2, Bali. The Indonesian rupiah is widely used, though USD exchanges easily in tourist areas. Expect $50 to $180 depending on villas, tours, and Christmas dining. Many visitors use visas on arrival or e-visas for simple entry. Christmas falls during Bali's rainy season, but showers pass quickly, leaving warm tropical beauty. Scooters, taxis, and private drivers guide travelers across Bali's vibrant landscapes. Ubud jungle villas, cliffside resorts, and beachfront hideaways all feel magical for Christmas. Bali's Christmas decorations often mix Hindu, Western, and tropical elements, creating colorful festive scenes. Try babi guling, nasi campur, and Christmas buffets with Indonesian flair. Waterfalls, rice terraces, and temples become quiet, cinematic backdrops for December travel. Balinese Christmas feels spiritual, gentle, and warm, infused with local artistry and calm island life. At number 1, Mauritius. The Mauritian rupee handles Christmas travel smoothly, with resorts offering fair USD conversion. Expect $100 to $300, depending on island tours and festive luxury. Many nationalities enjoy visa-free stays up to 90 days. December is warm and bright, with turquoise waters perfect for holiday relaxation. Rent a car or hire drivers to explore beaches, rainforests, and coastal viewpoints. Beachfront villas glow with fairy lights and tropical Christmas charm. Mauritius has one of the world's most multicultural Christmas celebrations. French, Indian, Creole, and African influences blend joyfully. Enjoy seafood curries, rum-infused cakes, and Creole Christmas feasts. Snorkel coral gardens, cruise catamarans, or hike lush volcanic peaks. Christmas brings music-filled beaches, fireworks, and warm family celebrations across the island. These island escapes prove Christmas can be warm, colorful, and breathtaking. Each destination offering its own blend of nature, culture, and festive magic. Which island calls to you this Christmas? Comment your favorite and subscribe for more cinematic journeys around the world.